Today I'm gonna show you a new way to play Satisfaction, legendary riff by Rolling Stones. If you play this way, it sounds more powerful and massive. It especially sounds great if you play it by yourself. And let's listen to it. Alright, and here is what you're gonna learn in this video. First I'll show you how you can tune your guitar in drop D, because we are gonna play it in that tuning. Then I'll show you how to play the main riff. And by the way, we play this riff through all of the chorus. And at the end I'll show you how to play the verse. And let's get into it. So about the drop D tuning. Of course you can tune it with your tuners, but I prefer to tune it by myself. You just need to pick the D string and the low E at the same time, and then drop your low E string to the D. And now we have D5 chords here. And now this kind of D5 starts to sound powerful and massive, as I told you. Alright, we figured out drop D tuning, and now I'll show you how to play the main riff. How we play it? At first, I pick my low D now, and then I play my chord. And I play my chord 2 times. And then you play open A. Then you have to play fret 2 and 3 of the A2, but you play it with your chord. And now you need to mute your D string here, and I do it with tips of my fingers. At first I do it with tip of my index finger and then tip of my middle finger. And one more little tip here, try to accent your first chord here. It will sound more groovy, you know. So, we played it. Now, you play this chord. Technically it's a C9. Play it 2 times, up, down. And this chord. And then you play D5. And then you play D string again. Of course you can add some strum here. If you want, it's up to you. And guys, we play it in the key of D, and if you want to play it in original key, and it's E, you should place your capo at the 2nd fret. I just did it, and now it sounds in original key of E. And what else we can do here? We can add one thing in your strumming. Then you play this chord. You can play it pretty fast and try to accent the last strum. Now we know how to play the main riff and the chorus, and now I'll show you how to play the verse. And by the way, my name is Dennis and you are watching the First Fret lessons. Our goal is to help you become the guitarist people will want to listen to. If you want a free gift from us that are not available on YouTube, check the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment. So at the beginning of the verse we have two chords, and here is D5 and here is our G5, because now fret 5th of the, now it's the D, it's the G note. Mute your high string, mute your A string, and here is the G5, and it's pretty useful chord in the drop D tuning. So I play. I separate my strumming, and at first I play my bass note and then I play my chord. 1, 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up. And this is our small bass line. Open A, then quick hammer on the fret 2 and open D then. Now I'll play the G chord, and they play the same strum pattern here. And at the end you can add this note. And our chord turn into G7. And it's up to you. You can do it, you cannot do it. And if you do it, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to play it 2 times. And now here is our cosa try. You have to play down, down to the D5 bass chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And here is A chord. 1, 2, 3, cosa try. And they play the same strumming on the G5. And then we play the chorus again. If you like to play songs this way, we got one more lesson for you. It's a Money for Nothing by Dire Straits in the similar arrangement.